Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you the upcoming Louis Vuitton bags. I will be including the prices, SKU features, and launch dates if available. And you know our practice here. If you are liking anything so far, kindly take a screenshot and check with your CAs for pre-orders and availability. Guys, I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! I'm very happy to share Louis Vuitton's Cruise 2025 collection. We will feature all the bags that walk the runway. Detailed photos and bag features are all included. Kindly take a screenshot for your personal reference. However, once SKUs, prices, launch dates, and more detailed pics are available, I'll be sharing it to our fam as soon as I can. So make sure you are subscribed to our channel. Happy shopping, everyone! Alright, so let us start first with this very beautiful trunk top handle bag. The material is the Himalayan croc with top handle. It would also come with the S-lock closure, gold hardware with trunk details such as studs, side metal fittings. So again guys, everything that we are going to discuss is part of the Cruise Collection 2025 that walked recently in Spain. Then we have a new design bag. This is so cute guys. Double pochette top handle bag. That is not the official name. Material is the metallic epi leather finish as we could see here. The design is like alma shaped pochette and times 2. It would come with detachable top handle and it would come with different materials as we are going to see on the next photos, such as this one. I am guessing guys, to be honest, this design would be one of the popular new bags that Louis Vuitton would be launching really soon. So it would come of course in the very popular classic monogram canvas, but the leather, it would come with the black leather trims as we could see here. And again guys, please take note that the top handle is fully detachable. Then it would come in the embossed monogram or the puffy look as well. So the material is leather. So they have come up with this design before with like the Alma, the Louis Vuitton Alma BB in their previous collection. So again, same design features, like two dome shaped pochette stuck together. It's like the double zip pochette. If you have that, kindly comment down below. So it would come in this very metallic pink colorway. So I think this is also made of epi leather. How gorgeous and chic this is. I'm also guessing that this bag would come with a crossbody strap as well. Then we have the classic Louis Vuitton GO14 bag. This one, the material is quilted leather and in the ombre colorway. It would come with gold hardware. It would also come with top handle and it would come with crossbody chain strap as well. Another Louis Vuitton GO14. So I'm not really sure if this is the first time that they are doing it in a tweed material, but this Louis Vuitton GO14, the colorway is in black, white, gray tweed fabric, but it would come with the contrasting gold LV hardware as we could see here. So it would come with top handle, crossbody as well. Then we have a new design bag, another popular bag that I'm predicting in the feature. So this is a leather and monogram tote bag. The material is leather and it would come with monogram canvas or border. It would come with gold hardware, gold chain strap, and luggage tag as well. It would come in 3 sizes. The second size, this is like a PM size. It would come in the same material. So the main body is like a slouchy leather material, and then the border or trims is the classic monogram canvas with gold chain that you could wear this one as a shoulder bag. It would come with luggage tag as well. Then this one, this is my favorite. So I believe this is the baby size. So this is the smallest among the three. Same material and same configuration as we could see here. I'm guessing that the chain strap is fully adjustable because again, you could just maybe use this as a longer shoulder bag or as a shorter shoulder bag like this. Then we have, of course, the petite main. So this would be in the tweed fabric as well. So in the black, white, gray colorway with leather trims, it would come with chain top handle that is fully detachable. Next, let us check out another Louis Vuitton GO14. So same quilted leather in ombre colorway. It would come with the leather top handle and gold hardware. So as you can see here, so this is like a pink peach colorway. What do you think of this one, guys? Then this one, I'm thinking that this is a new design of the Louis Vuitton twist bag because as we could see here sideways, it is a little bit slimmer compared to the classic counterpart, and the material is in the metallic epi leather. It would come with silver hardware and silver chain. So once I have more photos, detailed photos of this one, even the dimension, definitely I will be sharing it to our family here. Another design bag I think is the nano side trunk as we can see here. So this is a nano size version of the very beautiful side trunk. Material is leather with the Louis Vuitton trunk detail. It would come with silver hardware and silver chain strap as well. Then this one, I think this would also be going to be really popular. So this is a new bucket bag design. It can be tightened with leather drawstrings on both ends, has a chain link and a detachable leather top handle. The bottom part of the bag is leather, but the body, it looks like it's made of fabric or raffia. Then this one is my personal favorite. So another new bucket bag design. So same configuration, but the material of this one is in the reverse monogram canvas. So you are noticing, guys, that the top handle is like there's a interweaving of leather on the chain. Then it could be tightened with drawstrings on either side. Then we have a camera box. So this camera box is in the new pattern as we could see here. It is in the leopard print, either in the coated canvas or maybe leather, and it would come with the monogram top handle. It will have the S-lock closure, gold hardware, and I'm guessing, guys, that this is going to be a part of a separate collection. Then this one definitely is going to be hot. So again, going back to the new bucket bag design, but this time it would come in this very beautiful and puffy leather material. So I'm loving how you can carry this one as a top handle. Actually, guys, this reminds me either of the Chanel 22 or the Loewe flamenco bag. What do you think? Then we have going back to the Louis Vuitton GO14. So this one, I'm guessing that the material is quilted shearling material as you can see here. Then the color is white. It would come with the top handle. It would come with gold hardware as well. Next, we have a new design again, new bucket bag. So this is a new design structured bucket bag. The material is leather that is shaped like a Louis Vuitton flower. Comes with detachable top handle, drawstring for closure, and guys, it also reminds me of the Polens bucket bag. I'm not really familiar with the name. Kindly comment down below if you know, guys. So it would come in this dark gray colorway as well. So same design feature. So structured bucket bag that resembles like a Louis Vuitton flower. The top handle is fully detachable and you could close the bag with the drawstring as we could see here. Then this is the BB size, or the smallest size among the three. So again, the main material is leather. So as you can see here, guys, that it has a lobster clasp on the top handle, meaning you could fully detach this one. So I'm also guessing that this would come with a longer crossbody strap, so you could wear this one as a crossbody bag. Then we have top handle trunk bag. So this one, the material is the classic monogram canvas with black leather trims, leather top handle, and gold hardware. Alright, so this is the same feature as the earlier bag, but this is a slimmer version of the top handle trunk bag. So the main material is monogram canvas with black leather trims, leather top handle, and gold hardware, as we could see here. Then guys, this is my personal favorite LV collection. So this is a Speedy 20. The new design of Speedy 20, it would come with the Louis Vuitton trunk details, as we could see here. The main material is monogram canvas plus reverse monogram with black leather trims, leather top handle, and gold hardware. Then we have a very special bag from the collection. So we have a quote-unquote metallic crossbody bag. So this is a new design crossbody bag, so maybe made entirely of metal, as we could see here. It could be worn as a long shoulder bag or as a crossbody bag. Although it kind of reminds me of a Raban type of bag. So this one, guys, so this is another trunk Speedy, new design Speedy with Louis Vuitton trunk details. As we could see, it would come with the S-lock closure, leather trims, it would have the leopard print, and just like the camera box that we have discussed earlier, that is why I'm thinking that this would be on a separate collection. Last but not the least, we have a top handle trunk, a very special edition of the Louis Vuitton trunk bag. As you can see, it has the Art Nouveau style on hardware such as the S-lock. It has the wavy or the rising smoke pattern. It would come in the material in monogram canvas with black leather trims. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, among the upcoming Louis Vuitton bags that we have discussed for today, do you have any favorite so far? Did you add anything to your wishes? Kindly comment down below. We would love to hear from you. Before we end our episode, guys, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! So guys, before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!